This is the other Cox that we installed, probably about 6 months after that other one. Its pin is still on, so it's about a year and a half old. I can tell that that's not the original pin. It's also bolted up next to another Han-A reel. I don't know how old this one is. I'm not going to say it's 14 years old. I do know that this trailer right here is trailer number 4. I don't know what that other trailer number was when we were looking at it. This one here also, this was that Cox that we were looking at. Actually, you know what? I think it's trailer number 3. So this one is a little more than likely that Han-A is on there. Probably. It's not nearly as old as that other one was, or it might have even been replaced sooner. But I think these Cox reels, I think they did hold up. I think a year and a half old. I think that's pretty good. What really gets me is these swivels that are on the ends here. And as you can see, I don't know what brand that is because I really don't know what these brands are. But this one here is a different brand on this one. And I mean, look, I even got another brand. Even a different brand on this reel here, and probably over here we've got even another different brand. And then we go right here. There's another brand. But you can see these reels here. I know because they're painted white. I know these things are really, really old. And we can take a hoof over here to these other units. Let's see what they got on them. I don't know. I know we got one more that's got a Cox on it, and I can't seem to find it, but I don't know. Maybe I just lost my mind, or maybe it's not there anymore. No, these two are Han-A's as well. Yeah, they're Han-A's also. And they seem to have, I guess, whatever brand this swivel is here, it's more popular. We like using it a little bit more than the other ones. So that's the story. And it looks like, what I was talking to earlier, it seems like whatever that bearing is right there in the Han-A's, and you can see that this one here, man, that's a little, that one's definitely old. It just seems like that the reels work a little better on that mount. Let's go back over and look at that Cox, because I don't know on that Cox reel. I can't find that other Cox. It's not on any of these units that are here now, so I have to track it down. I don't know if I remember which one I put it on. Yeah, and you can see, I guess my guys say that they don't, that these things, and you can see that this thing's leaking a little bit, I guess. And maybe that's why they're saying they don't roll up as easy as these do. And you can see this is kind of encased and closed in there, where that's kind of a different setup on that. And that could very well be why they're saying that they don't roll as easy as the Han-A's do, or as free. They do have this, and when I can't find it on these because they're probably broken off, but they've got that little thing on there that slows the reels down. I don't know what it's called. Maybe one of these other distributors can help me out in it. But that's our Cox analysis. I can't say that Cox didn't do a good job. I think that when you got a reel on one that's 2 years old and a reel on another one here that's clearly a year, 6 months, and they're still working, for a few $100s, I think that they're pretty decent reels.